The National Association of Minority Contractors Upper Midwest Chapter, raising the bar for a new standard of excellence. The NAMC was founded in 1969 during a time when the construction industry was booming. The country was growing like never before. The United States was in an era of big construction projects and massive growth. The suburbs were sprawling. The interstate highway system was expanding, and the Fair Housing Act had just been passed. The late 1960s were a dynamic time for the country and the construction industry. Yet, in the midst of all the building and growth, there was an entire segment of the construction community that was left out of the jobs and lucrative contracts: our minority contractor predecessors. Luckily, help was on the way. The spark started with one man, Ray Dones. Ray mobilized minorities from all races and colors to come together in one organization, the National Association of Minority Contractors. His efforts, along with other pioneers from around the country, like Joseph DeBro, helped set the bar for inclusion, equality, and access. Today, there are 19 chapters of the NAMC throughout the U.S. It is the mission of our group to address the needs and concerns of minority contractors everywhere. Our chapter, the Upper Midwest Chapter, was founded in 1984. We've made some great strides and helped minority contractors gain a foothold throughout the region. Then in 2008, with the sudden downturn in the economy, and especially the construction sector, things got rough. The recent recession impacted the minority contractor to an even greater degree than their counterparts. Businesses were lost and sites were closed. But thanks to the never-quit attitude of our members, the hard work of our chapter, and some help from President Obama's stimulus package, things are starting to get back on track. Our members are on the job again, delivering quality workmanship and new jobs to their communities. We represent the full range of the construction industry. We are your engineers, general contractors, architects, and subcontractors. We are the electricians, mechanics, plumbers, painters, pavers, landscapers, suppliers, and so much more. We're working not only to build our companies, but also our communities. Our annual home makeover is evidence of our commitment. This annual project provides relief for families in neighborhoods in need of hope and help. This year, Derek and Sandra Densmore were the grateful recipients living on the north side of Minneapolis. Our chapter mobilized to renovate and update the Densmore's home. It was in desperate need of assistance. All of the labor and material were donated by NAMC Upper Midwest members and sponsors.
Get this, heating guy in the house. This is the heating guy. New furnace, hooking up the water heater provided by Mag Mechanical. Yeah, proud to be minority contractor.
Hi, I'm Ravi Norman from Thor Construction, and I just want to say how inspiring today's events have been. This is an exact example of what we believe construction is all about. We're in the business to transform communities, and to transform communities, you have to do it one house at a time. So our full commitment is to seeing sustainable economic development in places like North Minneapolis and in residences like this. Thank you.
Thank you to all participating companies and employees for your effort in making this year's home makeover project a wonderful success. As an organization, the NAMC Upper Midwest Chapter has worked to empower its members and support the wider construction community. In 2011, our chapter has achieved a number of goals to help empower its members. The I-694 DBE Participation Pilot Program, where we collaborated with the Minnesota Department of Transportation, was a great success. We delivered a new business opportunity workshop showing how minority contractors can access subcontracting opportunities on this $55 million project. With the creation of the Expedited Payment Program in conjunction with the Metropolitan Council, we addressed cash flow, a vital issue for our small business members. We recommended that a prompt pay program be implemented on the Central Corridor Light Rail project. After research and collaboration with NAMC and the industry, the Met Council plans to roll out its prompt pay program in March of 2012. Everyone benefits from expedited payments that allow for cash flow and business sustainability. With the Northside We Care program, we mobilized along with other Northside community-based nonprofits and Thor Construction to help the tornado-ravaged north side of Minneapolis. We empowered our members to come together, invest, and support our community through the good times and the tough times. Looking forward, it's not enough to simply survive. Our goal is to thrive. Success must be more than a word. It must be an attainable goal. The NAMC Upper Midwest sees the current economic situation as a window of opportunity. We have a chance to expand the vision of who we are, and what we can do. Through education, training, collaboration, and drive, we will continue to raise the bar through our member services and member advocacy. We are ready to embrace positive outcomes, refusing to be mere spectators, and insisting on being active participants. Only with inclusion will we all raise the bar. Join us. Everyone benefits.